Hey guys, this is Taylor. It is New Year's Eve and I made a cake last night and I have a lot of extras. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make cake pops. Super easy and great way to save that dessert that you don't want to throw out. You can have that treat for later on in the week when you need that weeknight treat. Okay, let's get started. First, I actually made brownies yesterday. I made a chocolate cherry brownie. I added some chopped or sliced almonds because I kind of thought that's kind of holiday-ish, and I had to get rid of some chocolate cherry or some vanilla cherry coke. So I actually substituted some of the water and added a little bit of salt to our cake mix. It's actually a brownie mix to balance out the sweetness. And we're just adding that right in. I also had some coconut, so I'm adding that right in. What's great about the nuts and the coconut, it's gonna add texture to your cake pop. So I'm adding in about 1/4 of a cup, totally optional, but I thought that would kind of bring that snowstorm that we had into our cupcakes or our cake pops. Next, we're adding in 1 container of frosting. This is a great activity to do with your kids. There's nothing hot. They can touch the different textures of the coconut, giving them that sensory experience and letting them use their hands. And all we're gonna do is just mix it right up. Okay, so I'm just mashing my cake with my hands. This is a fantastic activity to do with your kids because they can taste it and there's no rye egg in it. And what I love about cake pops is that your kids can help you all the way through. Except for the melted chocolate, there's really nothing warm that they can burn their hands on. So you can have them add the frosting, have them pick which textures. The coconut is a fun thing for the kids to taste separately. Same with the frosting. And this is just a fun thing to do while we're snowed in and letting them roll into balls. And so it's basically just Play-Doh the kids can eat. Okay, so after you've combined it, roll them into balls. Now this is a great thing for your kids to do for fine motor, touching different textures, and then honestly, it's really them just playing with Play-Doh. You can do whatever size you want. If you have younger kids, you could talk about big and little. So talking about making a small one and a bigger one to work on language. And then all we're gonna do is just melt some chocolate and dip them in. Another great way to get your kids involved is that after we melt some chocolate, you could put sprinkles on it. What's great about cake pops is that a lot of times we get cake from Costco because it's great and affordable, but then we never eat it all. So mash it up and turn it into a cake ball and stick them in the freezer. Then you have a quick dessert if you're going to someone's house or if you just want something on a Tuesday night. Not that warm, so you could have the kids either mix the chocolate so it's all incorporated or have them drop the cake pops in. You can never have too many sprinkles. It's the new year. Now, if you run out of chocolate, what you could just do is just roll the dough into the sprinkles and then freeze them. It'll be just fine. Okay, our cake pops are done. I just took a bag of chocolate and melted it down and dipped our cake in. That's my dog Otis. And then I just put some sprinkles on top. It's New Year's, so I just did some silver and gold. Let your kids pick and they can decide which sprinkles they want to use. They can touch the different textures of sprinkles and describe the texture. You can do coconut on top. Another way to build language is talking about the different colors. Choice making in general is just great for building language. Well, that is all for Speech Eats, and I will catch you guys later. I am on Instagram, so you can follow me on speech_eats_SLP, and you can also subscribe if you want to see more videos. So, catch you guys later. Bye, guys. Have a happy New Year.